What's up everybody, Tim Vix here and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is purely an unboxing video of the Motofusion frame slider. Without wasting much of your time, let's dig right into it. So I ordered this product from Motofusion's official website. It was also available on Amazon for 100 rupees more, but I chose to order it from Motofusion's website. Also, I placed this order on a Sunday and I was really surprised to see that they had actually dispatched the product on Sunday itself. So a big thumbs up to Motofusion for their prompt service. Big thumbs up. Alright, this is really well packed. It costed me 4,732. It's the invoice. Okay. I must say that the packing is really good. Okay, that's it. Nothing else. So they have given two Allen bolts inside this, so just be careful if you're unboxing it, it's there inside. If you're thinking what has happened here, it's not a scratch or something, it's just the adhesive which was there inside. This is just an adhesive, so if you wash it or scrub it with something, it'll go off. Feels pretty solid actually. Let's open the other one as well.